hi, didn't see you guys there. How's it going? Welcome to another episode of the Pisscutter Olympics. Guys, so happy to be back at Held Tour Ranch doing some more filming for the Pisscutter Olympics Season 2. Who would have thunk it? But it's bittersweet. It's exciting because we're racing today, but I'm sad because I'm racing this. It is not Mint and it is not a Taurus. Unfortunately, the Mint Taurus, which is way over there in the background, decided to blow a brake line in qualifying or practice rounds. So I have zero brakes. I'm not able to stop. I'm gonna have to run my backup car. It's okay though. The backup car I think is faster than the Taurus. It's an 05 Nissan Maxima with the 3.5. Full leather, memory seats, everything. Be nice. It's got a sunroof. I'm sure it'll look good, Mint, if it turns out to be a good car, if we can't fix the Taurus, or I don't want to fix the Taurus. Kind of disappointed though. Mint Taurus is kind of a staple around here. It's the benchmark. Last year it was the benchmark. So where are the other contestants? Oh, I hear them. Here they comes. Oh, look at these guys. Oh, frozen. We got Jamie piloting the 05 Impala. It's called the Impaler. We got Ryan. He's in the 08 Sonata. It's called Frank Sinatra. We got Brian in the 2003 Pontiac Bonneville. This thing's custom. This thing's custom for sure. Brian, pick a piece of paper. Anyone. Pick a piece.
Pick the piece, James.
All right, who's got number one? One versus number two. Oh, Ryan versus Jamie. And you are 3, I'm 4. All right, you and me. The Altima versus the Bonneville, and the Sonata versus the Impala. Let's get to it. Hey guys, so for this race, we're lining both of the cars up on the outside of the track, and then we're going to race towards the two cars that you see at the end of the field. Then they're going to come together down the middle lane. So I called this a candy cane race because it would look like two candy canes back to back. Sure provided a lot of action. Hope you guys enjoy it.
she's done.
I think she died.
You're on fire! You're on fire! You're on fire!
Just some oil.
Oh yeah.
Oh, that got rid of that one.
So Mikey's ready. Say, are you ready? Oh, that's a good race. I think we need a rerun on that one.
I think we do.
You edged them out, but I think we need to see another round of that.
Okay, or do you want to get in?
Which side?
What's that? Racing. That was a close race.
Woo! I ended up stopping a bit too hard for that corner.
Yes,
Let
you
Brian
did.
catch up. Yeah, but luckily the Ultima. Uh-oh. Jamie wants some real power. Do I go again?
Yeah, I'm down.
Just go over there. We'll do another one. This is a rocket ship.
I know, can't wait.
You need to be careful, young man. Oh yeah, Jamie's. Oh. How does a man car feel?
Feels good. It's power.
Hello?
Yeah, I seen it.
Oh boy.
Oh my goodness.
Oh boy. Uh-oh.
Yeah, I saw the window blow out.
Big bad Ryan did a big bad thing.
Stay tired, though. You get tired.
That's good. Yeah.
Oh, lady.
Yeah. I think I only got one door left now.
I got the hammer down.
Fuck, I hit you, all the glass came right in my window.
Bryant challenged Ryan to a backwards race. The camber crew here. They both got.
My camber sorted itself out.
They both got. Oh.
It sorted itself out is good.
Okay, well.
Lower
Looks
control
good now,
arms,
but
lower control
we got a
arms on
little
the
bit
ground,
of
but-
dragging lower control arm here. That doesn't bother Bryant.
No, not even
He's
close.
driven worse. Backwards race. Here we go. Right, are you ready, Ryan?
Ready.
Are you ready, Bryant? Is your car even running? Okay. 1, 2, 3, go. Bryant won the camber race. Here's why we call it a camber race. Wow! Ryan definitely drove into my trailer hitch. When we're in the mood to race, we're in the mood. So, we got one of my other backup cars. Silver Alero, Silver Surfer, Coors Light, the Silver Bullet, versus, oh, it was a nice car. It was a nice car. Oh, hear that power bog? That's nothing. Hey! How bad is she? I still got 4 tires, I'm good. Didn't even do anything to your car. Your car's mint.
Yeah, just the front end caged in a little bit.
Well, thanks for watching, guys. Talk to you later. Bye.